planning of campaigns. So for the planning of campaigns, first of all, you need to decide objective, like what you want to achieve with campaigns. Then like your budget, what is your budget for the campaigns, the locations that you want to target, and your ICP. ICP stands for ideal client profile. So this is the main thing. So you need to decide these things. What are the things that you need to work on these ones? So just example, if you want to get the messages from the Facebook campaigns, we can select the messages campaign. If you want to drive the people to on your website to fill the form, so we can drive the people there. If you want to
Okay.
generate the leads. So basically, Facebook has every kind of solution for every kind of business, but we need to decide what we want to achieve there. Okay. So
Okay.
for after deciding these things, then the creation part, basically. In the creation part, creation of campaigns. So these all things will guide us. So for the campaigns creation, there are three steps for campaign creation. One is the campaign level step, you can say. One is the ad set level, and one is the ad level.
Okay.
So at the campaign level, you can decide your objective of the campaign. You can decide about like if you want to do the A/B testing of the campaigns, or if you want to add the advantage campaign budget. So these three things are there. Then the next thing at the ad set level, we have first of all the destination where we want to drive the people basically. Then we will have the budget and schedule part here. Then we will have the audience, target audience, and then the placement section there. And the next one is the ad level, the last one. This is the front end setting of your ad. So you can select your FB and IG here, like Facebook, what Facebook business account that you want to use, what Instagram account you want to use. Then you need to select your creatives here, videos, images, then your primary text, the ad copy, headlines, and then the URL. So these are the things mostly you need to decide in the creation of the campaign. So now we are going to the campaign creation. So again, we will go to these three lines of the all tools, and then we will select this option, Ads Manager. So from this ads manager option, so you can see we have the different options here when we will click on this one. Before moving forward, so we have the different things here: campaign level, ad set level, and level. So these are the three
Okay.
steps. So create option. Now you can see we have the six basic types of the campaigns, and each of the type have the different options in these ones. So just example, first of all, the buying type. There are two options, auction and reservation. For your business, suggestion is auction. Reservation is just example. If you want to reserve your ad spots for the Christmas campaigns, or basically the any other campaigns, you can select these options. But the auction is fine for now. Then we have these six options. So if you just example select the awareness objective, so in the awareness objective, you have the option for the reach. Reach means if you want to basically place your ad in front of as many people as possible. So these are basically the unique peoples Facebook will serve your ad. Brand awareness. So this will be like you can say the more and more times your ad will be seen by the same even the people. So like again increasing the frequency of the ads that people are seeing. Video views
Okay.
option, if you have any specific video and you want to get as many views as possible, so you can use this option. Then the store location awareness, if you have any brick and mortar store, or a physical location of your basically the business and you want to drive the people to that location, then you can select this store location awareness objective.
Okay. Also, how does the pixel relate to all this?
Okay, so from the awareness, we don't need anything. But with the traffic, so just example, from the traffic traffic. We are driving the people to our website. So Pixel will track all the things. So just example, after getting 100 clicks, 70 people land on our website. Out of 70 people for the e-commerce business, just example, 50 people add to cart. Out of those 50 people, let's suppose 25 initiate the checkout process. Out of those 10 people add the payment info. Out of those two people purchase a product. So that all data will appear in the events manager.
Okay. And you can track all those steps that they took?
Yes, but we need to put the proper conversion tracking because your website don't have any form, anything to track there. So it will only track right now the website visitors only. So how many people are visiting to website? So it will only track those things there.
Okay. So could you run one of these traffic campaigns without a pixel? Like, could you
Yes,
do that?
yes, exactly. This traffic objective, we can run the campaigns without adding the pixel. So just example, sometimes people don't have websites or they want to drive the people to third party website like Amazon or eBay. Then the traffic objective is fine for them and they can drive directly people to their Amazon store or eBay store.
Okay. So like, say you want to do like a sales objective, could you do that
Yes.
one without a pixel? Because your
No.
website wouldn't be able to track.
No. So we can create the campaign, but there is no point of creating the sales campaign without having any conversion tracking on our website. Because remember, the sales campaigns are the most costly campaigns on the Facebook. So if we are getting, just example, 10 cents cost per click from traffic campaign, so might be we will be getting $1 or $2 from the sales campaign cost per click. So that's why we only suggest to run the sales campaign if you have the pixel on your website and you have the proper conversion tracking on your website, then you can add that.
Okay. So what would happen if you did create one of these sales campaigns without a tracking pixel?
So you will get the visitors on website, but Facebook will unable to check how many people are converting there.
Okay, so since like Facebook kind of like optimizes like I guess your ads or something for I guess like it like shows your ads more if they're getting a lot of clicks like if it's getting a lot of your actually no I don't know what I'm saying. So
No, no.
what would happen to your advertisements if they're if it isn't being tracked for the sales thing because there's no pixel?
So again, you will be getting from the campaigns point of view, you will be getting only the clicks. There will be no tracking out of those clicks. How many went to your website, how many purchased your product or anything, because you don't have any conversion code, conversion tracking code on your website. So that's why I'm suggesting if you don't have pixel on website or if you don't have conversion tracking on your website, so there is no need to run these sales campaigns. You can simply use the traffic campaigns.
Okay. Also doesn't like if you have like multiple ads, doesn't like Facebook show the ads of yours that like they'll like show the ad of yours that gets the most of your objective things? Like do they show the ads that get the most of your objective that you're going after, or do they show the ads more that get the most clicks?
No, basically, again, that's why I am explaining these objectives. Facebook will only optimize your campaigns for the objectives that you will select. If you run the traffic campaigns, so Facebook will only bring your ads in front of those people that are interested in clicks. They might be, or majority of time, they are not interested in your product to purchase. They are only clicking on your ads. That's the
Okay.
thing that you need to see. Similarly, if you are running, just example, the messages campaign, so Facebook will only find the people from its algorithm who are more interested to send a message after seeing that from your
Okay.
target audience that you targeted.
All right. Yeah, that all makes sense.
So for from traffic, these are the sub objectives: link clicks, landing page views, messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and call campaigns. Engagement ones. So if you want to drive the messages on your Facebook page, on your Instagram direct messages or WhatsApp, you can use this option. Or if you want to get as many as like comments, shares on your ad campaign, so you can use this engagement objective. And again, you
Okay.
can
Also,
also, yes.
wait, can I change something like
So the call campaign is also included here. Similarly, the leads one, so this is the like even for your business, the most important objective is the leads. If you want to ask the people if they are interested in your service, you can provide them a form and they can fill that out and contact with you. So in that way, you can like after that one, you can contact with them. Okay.
Okay.
So the next one is app promotion is basically for the people that have the app or they want to promote that app. The last one
Okay.
is the sales. So this is like a conversion objective. So in the conversion, you can drive the people to your website where Pixel is already installed, conversion tracking is already installed. So it will track all the conversions on your website. So like you can also say these are basically the funnels, different funnels campaign. You can start with the awareness campaigns, then drive them to your website or the messenger or for messages
Okay.
campaign. Then you can lead generation or even you can sell your program or your products to them.
All
Yeah.
right. Also,
Yes.
would you ever have multiple Facebook pixels on one website?
Yes, but I don't recommend to use the multiple pixels on same website because so just example, let me explain here. Basically, what the pixel is doing, so it's getting all the people data from your website and getting that at the same time. So first of all, the scenario is that you have two websites. This is only for example. One is related to clothing business, and the second one is basically ad agency. So when Facebook will collect data, all the people that are either visiting clothing or the ad agency, the page views numbers will be same. So just example on the clothing website, you have got the 100 people. On ad agency website, you have got the 50 people. So it will show you page views as of 150. So similarly, if someone purchase only the just example, your clothing brands are only for $50, but your ad agency cost is like the service is about $500. So it will start getting the sales conversion from both of those, but you can never scale those campaigns because this is a mixed data. So if you want to retarget your audience with these campaigns, so again your data is not correct, so you cannot utilize that data. The
Wait,
biggest advantage.
so in this
Sorry.
case, you're having the same pixel on two different websites?
Exactly.
Okay.
So same pixel, this one. So the next one is if you have the different, like two different pixels on same website, then only one website. Okay, you have the two pixels. So when you will prioritize your campaigns or when you will be creating your campaigns, you need to select one pixel there. So need to select one pixel, and that pixel will be prioritized from the Facebook for getting all the data. So based on that one pixel will be getting the data on a prioritization basis. The second one will not. But just example, if you will start creating the campaigns based on the second pixel that was not prioritized initially in your campaigns, so then again your retargeting data will not be a good one or will not have any value because it's don't contain any valuable data for you.
Okay, so is there ever really like a point of having two pixels on the same website? Two Facebook pixels?
Sometimes, just example, if your previous account is disabled and you cannot get that pixel access, you can install the second pixel. But one thing, so just example, if you have the two different ad accounts, mostly the affiliate websites are these things. So that because the affiliate offers, different peoples are promoting those offers and they want to track their ROI as well. So just example, if one advertiser is spending $1,000 and he want to see how many sales he got from that $1,000, and the second advertiser is only spending $200 and he want to check how many sales I have got from my pixel, my campaign. So at that point, we can install two different pixels.
Okay.
Yes. So again, if you will be using the two different ad accounts for campaigns, then yes, you can install the two different pixels of your website because in that scenario, you will be prioritizing those pixels from each of the ad account.
Okay.